who to hack me. I have to go rapidly. Their repeated hacking of me from where Mexico call, who to give this adventure to mislead the whole world. The same ocean give adventure, but do you see this how wrong these people to disturb the sea? Now the blue whale light trailing undersea people remaining in mass must driving bait, scientific swimming pursuits on modern seawater scientific digital automation, help taking watery camera sounds, avatar sound making, witchcraft make lethal, where a lot of misspell they because they are not allowing me the Microsoft to spell checking, they are role playing one after one machine then widgets. So that I have told all those things in my previous. Now that through the mouth of this vagina to take into the soul's heart in our respiratory in our body layers in our the vagina, then to the twist to their muscles. These peoples are who the blue whale I have mentioned. There is called that Madhumati, that Mayavi, to snatch souls, snatching slowly combination they take to place and the target. A lot of spelling they are created, kept it. This mother Chudir Bachas, Bengali discriminated communists, culprit are so Satan and shameless, blessless bastards to do this. How you see this? They have hacked me. They hacked me. I am unable. So this Sudhir Bachcha, this is so bastard. The people bro you shall. But Hideko you, he have been sent to block me. To block me, he has been sent. Aye, to you, why you are disturbing now? You has come here to do this man, this kitten innocent. By misparenting has been put my this video plays. You just see how magical power they are to enjoy. If they can help me, these bastards, who these bastards, I to show these bastards, they have changed these peoples, capturing their this people's bastard, they are modifying these peoples. These criminals are so bastards. They are so bastard. They have this is lot of crimes doing these peoples. There is blue whales. What do I have? Spacing. This is that they have brought this passage. They are automatically intruding computer, hindering me in the various way. This is a cloud formation. They are not allowing. They have gone these views for this climate. What you say this particular used view that to hinder, that is to put this the thumbnail form they have brought it. This is so criminal, masterminded digital hackers. I have shown this climate changes, how they done with cloud formation with the Pacific shape. That is very peculiar, and this blue whales undersea. You see this cloud, and you see the machine. What is that machine they are using? So you has to know these people's crime doing. They are doing digitally. They are extremists, so powerful. They have the blue whale. You see this, their cloud peculiarity. What I am should drawing attention of the UN General Secretary, World Meteorological Demand, Health, etc. These are criminal. Are the Mumbai film city to invest their money, and the official worldwide Indian ambassadors, official, and this vulgar actually to do these practices, and these vulgar ladies, these actors, and how to take action this one, but they will not allow me hardly to enter into that portion where I wanted to to take the video records. They have stopped me. So these criminals are so criminal. They have introduced these bastards films that I have hate these fellows, but this man is so badly. They are doing this type of nonsense activity with my computer. Actually, practically, they are handling my computers. I am not doing anything. They just have to brought this message how to kill them, how that Israel to destroy the PLOs ships under sea, they have to, that what are they are mentioning in you just listen in that way we have
Transit
to
bigger
take
distances, giving so much more
action
ability to see,
against them
everything that
to
there is to
grown
see.
up.
The black and white one
Donald
with the
Trump
big
told me
tail is
that
the
they will
Australian
help,
bannerfish.
but these peoples
To make it more
are
accessible, we
now
essentially need more submarines.
that Master
It's a small
Bengali
industry, but it is growing.
that
and expanding.
arranging the
Submarines are inherently expensive. The rides are fairly
election
expensive, but it is
machine and house top,
changing.
they have
And,
mismanaged
costs are coming
all
down.
that CEO. Actually
The world
misleading
underwater,
Donald Trump as
is
a honest,
a thing that we're
they
looking for to get as
have
many people
misled
underwater as
him.
we can.
So this is the people's to show this. This is how they brought
Palms to your body.
to Maharanis have to brought these things in
you ready to
between
go now?
parties. To show these things, they are too disturbing. So they are disturbing in such a bad manner.
This is our
I
first
do
time
think
diving in the
this,
Great Barrier
how
Reef.
to
And
this,
so far
they
it's
are
only been a few
they
dives,
are
but
blown
we've
out.
seen
This
blacktip reef
metal
sharks, we've
system,
seen
but they will
tons of
not
fish,
allow me.
chromis and damselfish.
I want to
and
kill these
parrotfish,
people
and then
who are
lots of
also
beautiful
so
browns.
that whole universe that is under sea. So they has to
Submarines
be
like
killed
this one
with the
are
arrows
really neat
or
because they're
bombs.
fully electric,
That,
so the
that
vehicle
has to
itself
be done.
is eco-friendly.
There are a lot of
But
disturbance
in
they are
addition to
doing
that,
in the
it
sea,
takes
inner
people
sea,
into a
upper
world
sea,
they've never
everywhere.
experienced
So
otherwise.
that disturbing
changes their
only
perspective
this,
on how
where
people
that
make
whole
healthier choices on the
animal,
planet.
inner structure, life, stability depends on this, climate depends on this deep sea. There is no carbon dioxide aeroplane. I have to give this arrow. These people
No
to be
emissions, no
killed.
emissions, no gas, no
These
diesels, no
people to be
nothing like that.
killed,
Nothing
this
to
is the
leave
wrong
contaminate,
people.
very
To these people,
friendly.
this guy you have to
Keeps
learn
everything safe
this.
with the reef.
This is
Scuba diving has limits on depth and time, whereas a
Simon
submersible has
Christopher Reeves, I do not know. This guy is very
way deeper and stay there for a
criminal.
lot
They
longer.
have relatives of
As well as
IITs
transit bigger
and
distances,
other were
giving so much more
professor
ability
or
to see
grandfathers were registered. These criminals have come to this place. This is Mexico come. These are
make it
the
more
very
accessible,
wrong
we essentially need more
one. In the
submarines.
day going
It's a
deep,
small
deep
industry,
sea.
but it is growing
Those
and
is not
expanding.
tolerable at
Submarines are
all.
inherently
That you
expensive.
have
The
to
rides are
stop
very
this
expensive, but it
function
is
for sake of the
changing.
climate
And,
change.
costs
What
are
I have
coming
to
down.
blame these people.
The world underwater, is kind of a thing that we're working for to get as many people underwater as we can.
Block us, this block, this culprit criminal, this ladies, how to put the give adventure, same ocean, all this vulgar misleading talk and saying they are semi-scientific.
This is our first time diving in the
They are
Great Barrier
the
Reef.
blue whale.
And
I
so
have
far it's
shown
only been
this
a few
blue
dives,
whale
but we've
who
seen
are
black
very
tip reef sharks,
criminal.
we've
They are
seen
microgravity
tons of fish, chromis
handling. They are microgravity
damselfish
handling.
and
They are creating
parrotfish, and then lots of different types of coral.
mega
Beautiful brown.
magnetic field Artina. So all these very old criminal
Submarines like this
procedures,
one are
it
really
is a
neat
very,
because
very
they're
criminal
fully
objectional
electric, so the
procedure.
vehicle itself is very eco-friendly.
That they-
but in addition to that, it takes people into a world that they would never experience.
I am not asking these peoples try to the destroy this, killing these peoples. If it is possible, you finish them as early as possible, as early possible, as early possible, as early possible. I request this US government, Donald Trump or Joe Biden, their military head of the Merino, that you have to take action, strong action
Scuba
to
diving has
eliminate
limits on depth and time, whereas a
from
submersible has, but